Hi everyone, I'm super excited to show you today our new fixer for GitHub. With this new capability, developers can fix their security issues in seconds and directly through GitHub and save tons of time and money. Ready? Let's dive right in. Okay, let's go to the Mobb app and choose Connect Mobb to your workflow. Mobb can be integrated really easily with any CI/CD system, but today we'll show you GitHub. Now, if you're familiar with our fixer, you probably know that it can get issue reports from various security tools. So here on the left, you should choose the tool that you're using. For this demo, I'll use Checkmarx. Now, if you just want to play with it and see how it works, you can try it out by forking our demo repo. Just choose this option, click on Fork Repository, and our demo repo will be copied to your GitHub account so you can play with it. But now for this demo, I'm actually going to choose one of my own repos, for example, this one. What happens is that Mobb will create a workflow file tailored exactly to my repository and start a pull request on my repository so I can view the workflow file and approve it before I add it to my repo. And what you can see here, if I go to Files Changed, we're adding a new workflow file, mob-checkmarx.yaml. This is exactly the content of the workflow, so you can review it and see that it makes sense for you. There are like a list of secrets that you need to add in your repository, basically the Checkmarx credentials, in order for the Checkmarx scan to run. Okay, let's merge the pull request that adds the workflow file to my repo. It looks like it's merged. I will not forget to add this required secrets in the settings of the repo under secrets and variables and actions. Basically, I need to provide here all the Checkmarx credentials in order for the Checkmarx scan to run. But basically, that's it. From now on, I have automatic fixes for each pull request. And let's see exactly how it works. So I have this file here, logforging.example.js. And in this file, I'm going to add a log4j vulnerability. We'll just uncomment these lines that takes input and put it in the log. I'm going to commit the changes, and like we said, I'm going to create a new pull request for this change and see if the Checkmarx detected vulnerability will be fixed by Mobb. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so Checkmarx scan has started to run, as you can see. Once it will be finished, Mobb, the workflow will send Mobb the results. In this case, it will be a log4j vulnerability report. And whoop, you can see here that Mobb added a fix suggestion on the spot on the PR itself. It tells you, okay, you need to remove this line, add this line, basically like some sanitization for the input. And all the developer is left is just like to review it, to see that it makes sense. It's usually pretty straightforward. And we just need to click on commit fix. Mobb will update the pull request with the new changes, with the fix. And poof, log4j fix has been committed. You can see here the commit of the fix. And once the fix has been committed, our workflow automatically runs again, so you get immediate feedback with approval that the fix worked, and the issue is not detected anymore. I invite you all to try it out. Just go to mob.ai and make a leap to the future of code remediation.